inside, swirling like a dream that's too delicious to hide.